Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to Jeddah for a layover. I thought I would take you along with me to show you around the hotel, the city, and just a bit of what I get up to when I have some time in between my flights. So let's get started. As we drive to the hotel, the sky starts to light up with the first hints of sunrise. Jeddah has such a unique feel to it. Lots of palm trees, wide roads, amazing cars, and just a perfect mix of old and new. You'll see the modern buildings next to the traditional ones, which I find so cool. The hotel here is super vintage. Looks so luxurious with the golden theme. Now it's this way. Really? Wow. मेरे पास कार्ड नहीं है आपके पास Hey! Eating? एक मिनट हम गलत आ रहे हैं उस तरफ है Here we go. My room for the night. It's simple and cozy. The bed is huge. After a long flight, this is exactly what I need. Yes. Okay. Plus, look at the view. Finally, a nice view. Alright, let's go out and explore. I'm always curious about the local culture, so I love going out around the new city and exploring markets when I get the chance. The weather is cool, not very hot this time of the year. After a little stroll, it's time to head back to the hotel. I don't have much time here, but I'm glad I got to check out a bit of the city. After sleeping for 2 hours, I'm headed straight to this chocolate art that the hotel provides complimentary. वॉशरूम का एक अलग सेंट्रलाइज्ड एसी है। ऑफ वहाँ का ऑफ रहेगा तो भी यहाँ का ऑन ही रहता है।
हो सकता है।
ये जो अपना डिटेक्टर है समथिंग है ना, वेंटिलेटर, उसमें से कंटिन्यूस आवाज आता है।
नींद कंप्लीट हुई आपकी?
ऐसा लग तो रहा है। आँख तो खुल गई। Maybe I just want to go home now. I don't feel like ऐसा कोई भी होटल है जैसे सेटिस्फैक्ट्री लगता है मुझे घर जैसा, मतलब कि आई कैन स्टे वहाँ पे बहुत टाइम तक। But whenever we leave the hotel in the morning, no? For example, Nairobi, they give us breakfast in the room, yeah. Yeah, Jakarta also.
Here they don't.
यहाँ पे नहीं क्या?
I don't think so.
Because it's almost breakfast time now. 1 or 2. नहीं 3 हो गया है, sorry.
पूछो करवा देंगे चौका। Will you eat a bake?
क्या?
A bake?
I don't think so रे. Morning में चाहिए आपको अलबेक? Now it's time to head back to the airport for my next flight. But I hope you enjoyed this little glimpse of my day in Jeddah. Thanks for coming along with me. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss my next adventure. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you in my next vlog.